Hello everyone. Our objective today is pretty simple. We want the robot to follow the black line using its sensors without us using our arrow keys to control it. So this can be done through the use of sensors. We can see this black line in our virtual environment, right? Let's maximize our screen. I'll go to the event palette. When green flag is clicked, this means that when I click on this flag, I want the codes under it to run. I go to my control block, control palette, my forever block. Forever is an infinite loop. That means I want the conditions to continue till I come here to tap on this red button before it stops. So forever is an infinite loop. My if then block. I go to my operators, bring out my equals to, then my robots. I search for my line follower. Don't forget, what we're trying to achieve today is a line following objective. This means as human beings, we have four directions. Our cars can move in four directions, so they can move forward, they can move backward, they can move left, they can also move right. So this direction is for forward. I'm going to bring up my run forward at speed 200. Let's set this manually. Speed 200. So this means that the line follower sensor reads 0, and it means both sensors sees the black line, this black line here. Both sensors see the black line, so it moves forward. The robot moves straight ahead quickly along the black line. Go back to our control palette and if then block. So this is going to be for the left. My operators, my robots, line follower port 2 is equals to 1. Right? Line follower port 2 equals to 1. I bring out my motors, my left and right motor, set M1, then set M2. Using the drop down menu, set M2. M2 speed should be set at 150. So what this means is that the sensor reading 1 means the left sensor sees black and the right sees white. So that means the robot has drifted to the right because it's seeing white. The robot has drifted to the right. We want the robot to turn left to get back on the line. So this is for the left direction. Our control palette, if then block, operators equals to robots, our line follower port 2 is equals to 2, set motor. So this should be 150 and M2 should changing it using the drop down menu. M2 should be 0. So what this means is that the left sensor here sees white and the right sensor sees black. So it's drifting to the left. We want it to come back to the right. It's drifting to the left because the left sensor is seeing white, and don't forget our line is black. So we want the robot to come back to the right to return on the line. We bring out our if then block. So this is going to be for the backward. Operators, our robots palette, a line follower port 2 equals to 3. Don't forget we're moving backward, so run backward using the drop down menu. Run backwards at speed. Let's set it manually to speed 100. So here both sensors see white and the robot has gone off the line completely. We want the robot to move backward slowly to find the line again. Let's minimize this. We click on the green flag. The robot adjusts itself. The robot is going to adjust itself till it sees the black line. Let's maximize it. Yes. The robot keeps adjusting itself to follow the black line. I'm not clicking on anything. The robot is using its sensors to move. It's using its sensors to sense the black line and it is adjusting itself to follow the black line. Let me change the angle. Yes. So we can see the robot will keep adjusting itself till it sees and follows the black line. It goes back a bit. I'm going to click on the red button to stop this. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.